Okay, now the approach we are going to try is using Boolean function. We're going to create a sphere. Move it out so we can see it. I'm going to move it to about the side, the eyes shape. If you look at the eye, the reference, it's almost like a half sphere. So what we are going to do is I'm going to cut it, trim it to more like a half sphere, and using it to cut away the space for the eye. So I validate it. I'm going to use the trim brush. I'm going to trim something like this. The top half will be gone. And let me solo it. I'm also going to trim away something like this. So if you look at this side now, see, it matches the eye shape very well. Okay, let's give it some color so we can see the difference. And why not just give it red? Apply. Move it. Turn it. Front view. And try to align as close as possible to the actual reference. Okay. And if we turn on X-ray, you can see how much it cuts through. Maybe we need to scale it a little bit more so you cut a bit deeper. Let's move it back to the camera position. Disable that. Actually, that matches pretty well. We don't need to match 100%, but I think that's pretty close in. Drag it up a little bit more. Okay. Now it looks funny, I know. What we can do here, we select both. Let's join. So they become one piece now, this piece. And to do the Boolean, we need to cut away the red volume, cut it away from the white. So the way to do it is we make sure pin this so it won't disappear. And the sphere here, we're going to decouple that with the rest of things. So, okay, now we have the main body, the head body selected and checked. And we identify, okay, here are the negative, the two pieces of negative thing which combined already. So we're going to, using the small one to cut away from the bigger sphere, the head body. So we select both. In the negative space for the eyes, we turn the eye off, so it will cut it away. So while we have both selected and the negative one turn off the eye icon, we can just hit Boolean. Now you get it. To processing and smooth out this is way more easier.